I'm Paul Huizinga. You're watching Power Automedia's coverage of the SEMA show. I'm here visiting Eaton, and Grant is about to take me through some really cool new stuff in supercharger technology. What do we got going on?
Yeah, hi Paul, thanks for visiting the Eaton booth today. This year at SEMA, Eaton are proud to launch the biggest supercharger that we've released. It's our new 2650 supercharger. It's 15% bigger than anything that we made before, yet can flow 25% more air.
Now, 2650, that's a key to knowing how much displacement this supercharger pack has, right?
Correct. It's 2,650 cc displacement, so for every one revolution of the pulley, it will displace that amount of air.
Now, your existing product lineup has some pretty heavy hitters in it, some very large blowers. What is this for? This is like off the charts.
Yeah, really the focus of this supercharger is to hit those very, very high horsepower numbers. In the performance aftermarket, I expect this device will be used to achieve horsepowers in excess of 1,000 on vehicle applications.
Now really the trick to this though is matching the displacement of the supercharger so that it's moving the right amount of air at the right efficiency, correct?
That's correct, and one of the things that Eaton have done is to actually tune the rotor to allow us to deliver very, very high efficiency at the high speeds and pressure ratios that we need to operate.
So you're making boost and not heat?
That's correct. That's the key thing, is to try and do this and keep the temperatures down.
Now, you guys are really popular in terms of supplying to the aftermarket. What are some of the companies who are using your internals?
Okay, so we have 5 distributors. Here in North America we have Magnuson superchargers, Edelbrock, Roush. Then in Australia we have Harrop Engineering, and in the UK we have Cosworth.
So there's a lot of different companies that have taken a look at this and said, yeah, that's the right way to make power.
Yeah, absolutely. And the key thing about the Eaton product is that everything is validated to OEM specifications. So we pass OEM's engine durability tests, so they know that what they're getting from us is a very, very durable product.
Well, that's very confidence inspiring for anybody who wants to put an aftermarket supercharger on their existing engine.
Yeah, absolutely. And most of our distributors will offer limited warranties with the product, just to back up the claims that we make on the validation and durability.
So what is the difference for these rotors in terms of efficiency over like a traditional roots blower or an older style design?
I think the key thing is that the efficiency on these new superchargers are up in the 70% range, whereas the previous basic roots are more in the 40-50% range. So Eaton's optimization of the rotors have really allowed us to push the limits of the roots technology to achieve basically class-leading performance.
Now we've just scratched the surface of what is a very interesting topic. Where can people go to find out more information about Eaton superchargers?
Well, the best place to go is www.eatonperformance.com. As a next step, you can visit our distributors' websites, which would be Harrop Engineering, Roush Performance, Magnuson Superchargers, Edelbrock, and Cosworth.
Well, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. For Power Automedia, I'm Paul Huizinga. Keep it right here. We got a bunch more SEMA stuff coming right at you.